Hi guys! Look what I found under the Christmas tree. Very exciting. A Tamiya King Hauler truck. The dream of every 80s kid. It even comes with a 3-speed transmission. Look at all these nice features. I also got a matching flatbed trailer and a light kit. Nice. For sound and light effects, I will use my DIY Arduino controller. The remote will be Arduino based as well. So let's unbox this thing. Ta-da! We are in. Wow, nice packaging. First we have the hard plastic body shell. Looks good. Then we have chrome parts. Suspension parts. Windows. More chrome parts. These are the metal frame rails. Then we have two more boxes with parts. One with tires and other stuff. And one with mechanical parts. Of course, we also have decals. We also need a manual. Looks comprehensive. And yes, it's a retro kit, so we also have a 27 MHz antenna. Now let's have a look inside the accessory boxes. Here we have tires. They feel good. So, what else is inside here? Screws, bulkheads and cable ties, more screws and washers, metal plates, more screws, even more screws, and bronze bushings. I would have preferred ball bearings. Thread locker. Then we also have about 7,000 additional metal parts, I think. Here we have a bag of bevel gears. This is the metal front grille. More metal plates. Okay, I think it's 10,000 screws. Let's crack open the other box. we have rims, axle and gearbox housings, frame cross members, transmission gears and clutches, interior parts, light lenses, more plastic parts. That's it. Let's proceed with the flatbed semi-trailer. The box is very heavy, so I assume there will be many metal parts. Ta-da! First we have an accessory box. Aluminium frame rails. Wow, this is wood for the bed, I think. Then we have another box, plastic parts. Decals. And of course a manual. Finally the aluminium floor plate. Let's open the plastic parts box. We got rims and, as the box says, more plastic parts. These are the taillight lenses. Let's open the metal parts box. Again, bronze bushings. Why not ball bearings? More metal parts. Chains. Mud flaps. More screws and tools. Metal parts. And of course tires. This appears to be the rear bumper. This may be the front plate. Let's unbox the trailer light kit. This plug will connect to the truck. We also have a little manual. As I said, very exciting. So, subscribe and don't miss the upcoming build video. Bye!